Instead of paying trading fees, you get paid. Own a share of a future Binance or Coinbase. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of BlockchainFX. Link to this will be in the description of the video. It is offering a unique combination of utility, security, and that growth potential, and it's positioning itself as a leading platform for crypto investors. Now guys, early participants in the BFX ecosystem gains exclusive membership perks. It includes that bonus BFX tokens and the limited NFTs. Now, additionally, the BFX Visa card provides that real-world utility by allowing the users to spend their crypto rewards worldwide. It bridges the gap between the digital assets and the everyday transactions. Now, guys, security is always a top priority of BlockchainFX, and it is a platform that has been professionally audited by CertiK, Coinsult, and SolidProof, and it ensures that the user's funds and the data are all protected, so the investors would be able to confidently participate knowing that the platform adheres to the highest standards of blockchain security. Now, the post-launch of the BFX token is set to be listed on 5 major centralized exchanges, guys. This strategy is ensuring the robust liquidity, the wider accessibility, and the significant growth potential for early investors. Now guys, the platform is already live and it demonstrates that real trading volume with thousands of users actively trading over $8.6 million raised. Now, these metrics also reflect that the platform's functionality and its ability to generate the revenue is realistic, and I will show you how their dashboard looks like in just a bit. So, BlockchainFX, guys, also offers a long-term sustainable model for crypto investors, and the BFX token holders earns that passive income from the platform's revenue for the continuous growth. So early adoption comes with the clear advantage. The participants can secure at a lower presale price, and the limited presale slots create that scarcity that also adds value to the early investors. Now guys, of course, I want to make sure that you are always doing your own research, and make sure to head on over to their website and check out their white paper as well. This is actually the first document that I always, if it's available in a crypto project, I always check that out because it has a lot of information that will definitely be very, very helpful for me to know what I need to know. What are the advantages? What are the benefits? And of course, what are the value propositions that you could get once you start trading and once you start investing in the VFX token? Alright, so this is the way that it looks, guys, once you are logged in. You have the total portfolio right here, and you have the trading history. So once you click on the total portfolio, it will show your portfolio right here in this part, okay? And of course, you will be able to check out your trading history. Once you click on that one, it will show you all the trading history that you would like to see. Right? Now, one thing that I also like about them is the chat and support. It is right here. You don't need to go to like their website. You don't need to head on over to their landing page for you to click on something that will help you get to that support. So you could go ahead and click on this one, and you could open up the chat and directly communicate with the agent that will definitely help you out with whatever issue or whatever concern you might have. All right. Now, for the market analysis, guys, this is something that I also really love to go ahead and check out. And this is something that will definitely help you out in getting to know more. Like when you do your market analysis, when you do your technical analysis, it is all right here. So when you click on that one, you will be able to get more information about it. And of course, the video tutorials, guys, this is something that you need to go ahead and check out, especially if you are a beginner in cryptocurrency trading, in whatever trading you are doing. I would strongly suggest, guys, head on over here, click on all videos, and it will give you the videos that you could go ahead and watch that will definitely help you out in being a good or a better trader, okay? So once you click on more right here, you have the alerts and you also have the help. Okay, you could go ahead and ask the question right here. So once you click on more again, you have the alerts. You can create your own alerts. That way you will not miss out on any entry or exit points that you are watching or monitoring, right? So again, guys, go ahead and check them out. A link to this will be in the description of the video. Now, by combining the exclusive perks, the secure infrastructure, the real trading activity, and the long-term sustainability, BlockchainFX is actually delivering a compelling opportunity for both the new and the seasoned cryptocurrency investors. Now, it makes it a standout project in the ever-evolving blockchain landscape. So take your crypto investing to a whole new level with BFX, guys. Join the pre-sale today and own a part of the future. If you are new to the channel, hopefully you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next amount. Peace.